Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Qualgent AI, which claims to be a top quality assistance platform. We tested it thoroughly to see if it actually delivers. What stood out first was the interface. It's clean, easy to navigate, and designed for professionals. It helps automate document reviews, provide feedback, and streamline content generation. The AI outputs were consistent and polished, especially in proofreading and improving clarity. Pros are that it saves time, improves accuracy, and feels reliable. But the cons are that it doesn't handle very creative tasks as well, and subscription costs might be higher for casual users. Overall, if you're in a professional setting and need an assistant that polishes work and boosts productivity, Qualgent AI is worth considering. For casual or purely creative needs, it may not be the best fit. This has been How to Literally We Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.